Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Yukon XL. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, adjustable pedals, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.